to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to be talking about three big mistakes entrepreneurs make. You and I, we make this mistake, but we today we decided to bring it to the public, and we make this research so that you and I can learn from it. So don't make this mistake. Don't make this mistake. Number one, before starting any business anywhere in the world, any kind of business you're about to start, you have to make research. Now, the research you're going to do is people-based oriented research. That's people-based oriented research. Now, based on the activities we are going to be doing, whatever business you're about to put out in the public, it is a business that has to do with individual. People have to use it. You need users, you need buyers, you need sellers, you need wholesalers, you need retailers. Whatever business you find yourself, you have to do people-based oriented research about it. Now, this people-based oriented research is an act of you being able to know what do the people need, how do they want it, do they have the purchasing power to buy it, can they buy it in that environment? If you cite this project here, if you cite this store or this manufacturing company here, do the people around that environment have the money to buy it? It is important for you to think about some things like that and see that the people around there are going to be your customers. So you have to first of all do your research very well with the people around the locality to know that this project it's not just important for my own company, but it's also solving a particular problem for the people. You understand? You cannot cite a gas station where they need a water board. You cannot cite a hotel where they need a public school. Yes, so you have to be people oriented in citing or starting any business you're going to start. Number two, the risk management. Most of us we do not look at that the risk management of any business. What are the risks we are going to be facing running this business in that particular area? Is it safe? Is it accessible to the people that are going to be patronizing? We forget about those things because those things seems not to be important because some of the times we entrepreneur we go into places and we secure a project in a place that is cheaper, thinking that whatever it is, we'll be able to transport the finished goods to the public. But you should think about the accessibility and the security of the place, the risks of citing that business in that place. Is it good? Will people be able to access it? If there's any risk management, can the necessary tools and agency get to that place on time? You have to look at that particular point because it is very, very important because there's no how you do a business without thinking about the risk management about the business. Two is about the value adding services of the business. Now, if the business is adding value to that community, know that it is going to add value to the general public. Now, your first customers are your immediate neighbors, and your first customers are the people closer to you. Any factory you start, any kind of business you think of starting, the people around you are the people that will patronize you first. So, what value is it adding to the immediate environment? If the business is adding in a value to the immediate environment, then it can add value to the general public. So, you should think about the fact that it is not just about your company, your business, your establishment. It is about the people. It's about how would the customers take it. It's about the people that are patronizing you. How would they be able to navigate the road and get the value they need in exchange for their money? And lastly, about value. The value you are selling should be equivalent to the value they are getting. Now, let's say that again. The value you're selling should be equivalent to the value you're giving out. Now, if you're a new subscriber and you're watching this video to this point, kindly please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. We talk business here, we talk lifestyle, we talk about human beings, everything about relating human beings buying and selling. We talk about relationship, we talk about you, we talk about me. We try to make the world a better place by putting a video per day. By each video, we believe that our users will get better. So subscribe to this channel, give this channel a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. So lastly, about value. Um, every customer comes to buy value in exchange for the money. So money is also value, but they are exchanging their value for your value. So there's no how I bring my money to buy something that you have guaranteed me. Oh, for example, this particular tire is going to last for 10 years, and I pay money for it. And immediately I pay money for it, I expect the tire to last 10 years and above, or 9 years and above. By the time you now, okay, the person now buys the tire and the tire lasts for 5 years, that is not value getting, because the money you will collect will be equivalent to the value you are given. It is important because most of us entrepreneurs, we do not look at it. When you are giving out any item to a customer, let the customer get value for it.